Welcome to Arzellia Solution, a next-generation AI-powered platform designed for intelligent, automated predictive analytics. Arzellia streamlines customer projects by integrating departmental Excel workflows with AI-driven insights. Whether optimizing retail expansion, marketing, or inventory, Arzellia enhances decision-making through 4 powerful modules. It starts with the Dataset module, which integrates real and synthetic daily time series data, refining granularity for high-precision predictions. Next, the AI module, powered by Microsoft AutoML, automates model selection and training, optimizing forecasts with minimal manual effort. Then comes the scenario module, enabling dynamic what-if simulations. By refining Excel AutoML forecast assumptions with Generative AI, it refines predictions using Bimodal AI, combining historical analysis with real-time adaptability. Finally, the results module translates complex scenario analytics into clear, interactive Power BI dashboards, making insights accessible and actionable. With Arzellia, bimodal AI-driven decision-making is efficient, intelligent, and built for business success.